Is your 2005-2006 Chevy Equinox key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video shows you how to easily replace it yourself, saving time and money. The process is simple and takes only a few minutes with basic tools. We'll be using a CR2032 battery, commonly available at most stores and online. Let's get started. You'll need just one simple tool to open the key fob: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. This will be used to gently pry open the fob casing. Make sure you have this tool ready before you begin. You may also want a soft cloth to protect the fob from scratches. Start by locating the small slot or seam on the side of the key fob. This is usually near the keyring attachment. Next, insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the plastic clips holding the fob together. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Take note of which side is facing up, usually the positive side with the plus symbol. Gently pry the old battery out of its holder. You can use the screwdriver or your fingernail to do this. Be sure to properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or auto parts store. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, making sure the positive side, plus, is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is securely seated in the holder. If it's loose, the fob may not work correctly. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Make sure the casing is securely closed and that there are no gaps. Press firmly along the edges to ensure all the clips are engaged. You should hear a click as the two halves come together. Test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If the fob doesn't work, double-check that the battery is correctly installed and that the contacts are clean. If it still doesn't work, you may need to consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit a Chevy dealer. In most cases, a simple battery replacement solves the problem. Remember to check your key fob battery annually to prevent future issues. Thanks for watching.